So welcome everybody. I am director of FIDS, which is Foundation for India and Indian Diaspora Studies, which is a new and young think tank, particularly focusing on India-related issue and Indian-related issues all over the world. We facilitate exchange between experts on Indian subcontinent and experts from Indian subcontinent. So that's a dialogues. We also, charter is to provide the authentic, well-researched information on the facts, events, and policies matters related to India and Indian diasporas. Quickly, I would introduce our three great panelists who are here today. Michael O'Hanlon, who is a senior fellow from Brookings Institute. He is Center for 21st Century and Intelligence, Director of Research for the Foreign Policy Programs. He also teaches at Johns Hopkins University, then Princeton. He has a great experience on these issues. Particularly, he has recently brought a book on Afghanistan, toughing it out in Afghanistan. It's his recent work on this one. Also, he is a co-author of Afghanistan Index from Brookings Institute. Many books are on his name. Some of the new books are on this Healing the Wounded Giant. It is related to the military expenditures. So we have good to have Michael on the board. We have Lisa Curtis, and Lisa, all of us know that she has a background from diplomacy to the journalism, and also the expert on the think tank. She is a well-sought expert on the various media channels. She is from the Heritage Foundation. She has been testified to Congress many times. She has been also advisor to White House during the 2002-2003 time frame. She has a very first-hand experience in Indian subcontinent. Particularly, she served Pakistan and India in the mission over there in mid-1990s. So I welcome Lisa Curtis on panel. And we have our third distinguished speaker, who is coming all the way from India, but at the same time, he is not new to many of us. He is Dr. Kanwal Sibal. Dr. Kanwal Sibal was actually here as a DCM in 90s. Very old, I think elderly people may know that he was representing Indian mission over here. But the most importantly, he has been India's foreign secretary, and he has a great knowledge about the issues related to subcontinent. He is actively involved into diplomatic and international affairs, particularly related to the Indian subcontinent. He is also the first Grand Doctor of Philosophy in India. So he is also that way intellectual, and he has a great degree of publication on his names. So I welcome Dr. Kanwal Sibal on the panel. So this panel is very important from how to go forward, because we all know that 2014 by December there will be withdrawal of the troops, and there are great degree of concerns about that, how that transition is going to happen and how would be the stability. So this panel is mostly delving into that the transitional aspect, the managing the transition, as well as ensuring the stability. So that's the discussion of the panel. We are expecting Congressman Eliot Engel to initiate this session, not just the session, but the conference. But he is stuck a little bit on the way. He will be here any minute. So that's why we first thought that we'll do the introduction part of it. And we are also having Congressman Joe Crowley. Both of them are going to be here. When they come, I will briefly introduce, but for benefit of others, I will first do the introductions. I'm sure that they have heard their introduction quite a few times, so it will not be fun to hear from me. So let me start from Elliot. He's a ranking member of on a foreign committee, so which is a very important, and he has been from Bronze Democrat from the New York area. His political career has been very distinguished, and his focus on various aspects which are pertaining to very important to American citizens, but mainly like affordable housing, real estate, healthcare, education for all Americans. These are the topics of the common interest. But he is not just the focusing on the domestic issues, but also on the international aspects. Mainly security and the energy sustainability is his area of focus. And one of the most important contribution that we see from Congressman Elliott. So Congressman Engel is also author of Syria Accountability and Lebanese Sovereignty Restoration Act of 2003. And which this particular act has been very instrumental in putting the pressure to get Syria out of the Lebanese. So that is in the international setting, he has a great degree of influence. Similarly, particularly the child labors and enslavement happening in the African region. So he had been working towards that. So I would like to welcome Congressman to initiate this great conference.